Hi, all, welcome to the live trading session. Okay, let's see. I found a good trading opportunity here in the gold. Yeah, this is the resistance level. So I am planning to sell from this level. My stop loss will be like here, and my first target is minimum 1:2. Yeah, this is the level. Yes, I am expecting for up to this level. If this break this level, we can expect more. We'll do trial stop loss as per that. Okay, this is the gold analysis. And what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin also in the resistance level. Bitcoin is the resistance level, but I prefer to buy this time because selling is not this level. Selling is not good. I do selling only after this level or this trend line breaks. Yeah. This is scalping trade. Let's see what will happen. I'm not showing the portfolio because there are some problems with financial things. Let's see. Yes, gold is started falling from the exact level we sold. See how accurate our levels are. Yeah, it came. It started falling. That was a sharp level. Let's see this will hit our target or not. Hopefully this will hit the target. Come. If you want to trial, I prefer book half quantity and keep the stop loss near the entry level, and the rest of position you can hold up to, I will mention that level, around, yeah, around this level. This is the level we can trial stop loss if you want, but I prefer to exit from this level. If you want to hold, just keep half quantity and hold. Yes, I don't have mic at this moment because there is a sound issue. Yes, of course. See, let's see. It's only 20 pips. Come on. Let's hit the target and go. Let's hit the target and go. See how many time within 4 minutes. This is a 2 minute shot. First 2 minutes we got this. The next 2 minutes. I hope we will book within this candle. Yeah, let's see. Come. Yes, our target is this. Yes, come on. Yes, yeah, I've done. Yeah, within two candles. Yes, this candle we took the entry. Within two candles, our targets are done, and we are done and dusted. Yes, the target is done, full done. Yeah, let's see. As I have told you, if you want to hold, book half quantity, and the next see how accurate. If this break, that would be a big target. See, the candle break itself and made a big wide range candles. Okay, how much? How many risk reward we have got? It's already 1:4. It's already hit 1:4. Yeah, that was a good shot. Yeah, the level was very perfect level. From this candle we have shorted from this candle. See, within 5 to 6 candle it reached boom. Yes, we have done our full target. See, the next candle will hit all our targets. First target and second target done. Yes. Yeah, this is the only target. See how many? 1:4. If I fail this here, check 1:4 risk reward. Okay, we booked 1:2 first, and the rest we kept half quantity here. Let's enjoy the trade. Yeah, next video we will come with the next trade. Yeah, what's happening with Bitcoin? You still in this range? Yeah, I want to see Bitcoin out from this trend line and out from this support resistance level. Yeah, I trade only when it will break this level or it break this level. Let's see which one break first. As I mentioned in Bitcoin, if Bitcoin breaks this level, we will buy. If Bitcoin breaks this trend line, we will sell. Okay, then the Bitcoin breaks this level, already broken, and I took entry near the same trend line, that retest level of the same trend line. It breaks and it went for retest. That time I took this trade. I kept my stop loss just near the resistance. See, it was about to hit the stop loss, but it came back, and just now it's booked 1:2. See, 1:2 target. See, what I am doing is I am holding my rest of positions. I just booked my half quantity, then I am waiting for the 1:3. Okay, then now I moved my stop loss to almost this level. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, if you want more live videos and live levels, just please do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Hope you soon with a new video.